Hey everyone, it's Daniela Dimanchi, your Director of Technology for KW and Oviedo. In this video, we're going to be talking about the new update for email templates that just came out a couple days ago. So this is where you will create the email templates to send out emails to your database or to whoever. So when you're on command, you log into command, you're going to click on this red KW at the top, then you're going to go down to designs. So once you get to design applet, you will notice that any templates that you created, whether it was a flyer, a postcard, an email template, all of them will show up on here. You will see some of them have this non-editable bubble around it, which basically means you will not be able to edit these templates anymore. So in order for you to create a new design, you're gonna click Create Design right here at the top, and then you're gonna click Email. Click Next. On here, there are some new templates that they just added in. So you can either use any of these templates and just edit it, or you can just create a new template. To create that new template, you're gonna click Create New Template right here at the top, and it's gonna show up as a blank page. Remember always when creating a new template to name it. So I'll do this as test. And on the right-hand side, you'll see there's different things that you can now do. There's different layouts that you can have. It has this same widgets for content. And one other thing that's different is right here, there's a background. Now you can change this white background to whatever color that you want. So you could decide how wide the body is. You can change the size of it also right here. And then right here, you could either change the background to a solid color or to an image. Click on image, you just upload it that way. If it's a color, where it says background color, you can click on that white color and either create your own color, or you can add in the hex colored number right here. Let's say I wanted it to be a blue. Now I can go back to the blocks, which is where I'm gonna add in the different widgets. These widgets, the layouts are all different. So for column 1, if you click, hold, and drag it to the middle of the page, it will drag that column. Within this column, you can add in images, and you can choose which image. Let me just choose, I don't know, this one. I'll click save, the image appears. I'm gonna click on this back button, and it will save here. I can also add in a text. Just click, hold, and drag under the image, and that text box appears here. And I can type in whatever I want on here. And notice that the words are black, so I'm going to change that color. So highlight the text, click on that A, underlined A, and change the color. And it automatically does it. Then I'm going to click back. And notice that I don't have to keep clicking save. However, I would recommend save your work periodically so that if anything happens, your work is saved and you can always go back to what you were working on before. So the save button is up here at the top. You click save, or you can click save and close and it will take you back to the design dashboard. So this is column 1. You also have column 2 where there's 2 separate columns. And remember within these, let's say there's an image in it. So I'll add in an image. I'll do this one. And for the second one, I'll add in another image. Do that one. Now I have 2 images in there. Remember, whatever is in the box, you can add in any of the contents within that column box. Then I can add in a button within that column. And I can change the color. So now you can really customize this email to exactly how you want it. So that's basically how to create and how to edit things on the new email editor. I suggest to try it out and see how it works. Once you're done here, you can click save and close. And once you click save and close, it'll show up on the design dashboard. I suggest you to go in and start playing around with this editing tool. Now you have a lot more different options when it comes to sending out emails. Once you have the email template, you can just go in and start editing it to however you want. All right, if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. Until then, I'll see you on the next one.